Hi everybody, I'm Will Koberg with the Jan Ritchie team of Keller Williams Realty, and I'm here at our listing at 2405 Vista Point Drive in Plano, Texas. Come with me as we take a tour of this beautiful home. Recently updated with neutral colors, this 4-bedroom, 3-bath home is located in the Hills of Prestonwood community. Homeowners enjoy close proximity to the Dallas North Tollway, upscale retail and dining, and Prestonwood Country Club. To the left are the French doors that lead into this large study with cathedral ceiling and lots of natural light. And to the right is the formal dining room. As you continue into the home, you have the open kitchen, which boasts stainless steel appliances and lots of counter space. The new hardwood flooring continues into the family room, which features a stone fireplace and views of the large backyard. This backyard is perfect for homeowners looking for space for their pets or a swing set for their kids. One of the unique features I love about this home is this stone fireplace, which you'll find here in the large, secluded master bedroom. And then follow me to the master bathroom, which includes his and her vanities, his and her master closets, and a large soaker tub. Completing the first floor is an additional bedroom with a completely remodeled full bath. Upstairs you have a large game room or media room and 2 additional bedrooms with their own full bath. I want to thank you for joining me on this home tour today. If you want to find out more about this home, you can call me directly or find out about this home and all our listings at janritchie.com. I'm Will Koberg, and we'll see you on the next home tour.